Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we did have this week's Microsoft Edge update for security. It also contains a bug fix. If you go to Edge, go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go down to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be updated to 136.0.3240.64. So, of course, the Chromium security fixes are in here, but there's also a fix as there was a problem with the autocorrect in certain circumstances. So that was the bug fix for this week. Of course, if you're using a Chromium browser of any kind, that's pretty much everything except Firefox. Check out your updates because you had the security updates at least this week for all the flaws that were in Chromium, and that of course means everybody stays safe. If you apply the update, it is important to do so as it is what keeps you safe. Very, very important because flaws are easy to exploit. So 1 bug fix, 2 security updates. That's pretty much what we have in this week's update for Edge. Check out your browsers. Make sure they're up to date to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.